What if we're conscious before we're even born? A new study by neuroscientists and philosophers suggests exactly that human awareness may begin before birth, even in the final weeks of pregnancy. For years, science believed that babies were born unconscious, that awareness, memory, and even pain didn't really register until months later. But that idea is now being seriously challenged. In this recent global review, researchers studied brain scans, neural networks, and behavioral patterns, and found something remarkable: signs of attention, sensory processing, and memory in newborns. Not only that, but the structure of the brain, even in the womb, shows early signs of what we recognize as the foundation of consciousness: neural connectivity. Response to touch, changes in heart rate based on external voices or lights. In other words, the lights aren't off. They've been flickering on, slowly, from the very beginning. One researcher compared it to a dimmer switch. Not a sudden flash, but a gradual emergence of awareness as the brain wires itself. And the implications, they're enormous. It rewrites how we think about fetal development. It forces a second look at how pain, memory, and perception are handled in infants. And it opens philosophical doors about when consciousness really begins. Because if a baby can recognize its mother's voice, if it can feel stress, if it's already forming a sense of self in the womb, then the question is no longer when we become conscious, but how long we've simply underestimated the mystery of life itself. Because consciousness isn't a moment. It's a journey that may begin far earlier than we ever imagined.